guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I am really excited because we have an unboxing from this brand, Amélie Home. I hope I'm saying their name right. It's we're doing a collab and I am super excited to be collabing with this brand because you guys know, like you guys know I just love putting my furniture and just the home decor, just everything together and stuff, and you can't go wrong with having so many blankets. I feel like I have so many blankets, but I can never have enough. So yeah, I want to get into this unboxing with you guys and tell you about this brand and stuff because I think you guys are really gonna like it, because I really think you guys are gonna like it. So yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so we have two boxes, or I have a box and like a baggie thing, but let's start off with the first one. And when I tell you guys, this color is all me. Let me show you up close. I definitely love their packaging because they wrapped it up really nice and stuff. So let's open this one up. I'm really excited to decorate like the guest bedroom and like the living room and stuff, the couch. But oh my gosh, this color packaging is everything. I love how they put the bow on here and stuff. Everything will be linked down below. This color is beige and this is part of their summer collection. And off the bat, I am definitely obsessed with this. Like, you guys, how can you not love this? Oh, okay. I'm gonna do some up close shots as well and stuff. Okay, this color is stunning. I absolutely love it, and the packaging is just definitely top tier. I feel like when buying really nice quality blankets and throws. So very cute. Okay, and I'm gonna leave everything linked down below. We're gonna go ahead and start opening this. So their brand is definitely a French style, which after looking through the page, I was like, okay, this kind of goes with like the theme and stuff, I feel like, of the home. Like, I never really put like a name of what style I have in my home and stuff, but I don't know, just their items definitely matches with the aesthetic of my house. So I love this. It has little fringes on the ends of the blanket. This size is the 50-inch by 60 inches. This is definitely a great throw size blanket and stuff, and it's definitely a great material. It's not thin at all. So I just can't wait to like cozy up on the couch and stuff with this, or even layering on the bed and stuff. I love to layer blankets, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right here, and then we'll go ahead and open the other one. It came in this baggie. Same thing, their packaging is just amazing and stuff. So and this one does come in different sizes. This one's like almost in like a, definitely packed in there like a vacuum sealed kind of thing. Okay, now this one is so soft. Oh my goodness. Y'all are gonna love this one. I know the color, you guys. I got a sage green, and I've been really into greens lately and stuff, so I decided to go with sage green, and we're gonna open this one up and stuff together as well. But just off the bat, it's so soft. Oh my goodness. I love this already. It's so pretty. And then these two, like if you layer them together, look how beautiful that's gonna be. So yeah, I love this. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this one together. So this one is like tied in a knot. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is super soft, and I just love like the little ball tassels that are on this. It's definitely a French style That is their aesthetic. Length of this blanket is 60 by 80, and I believe they have a smaller one as well. But the softness and the material, it definitely feels more like luxurious in a way, just because of the thickness and stuff, and it's soft on both sides. So I absolutely love this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I would place this on my couch, but this is so soft. Oh my gosh. And I absolutely love these colors. So like I said, this one's the sage green, and then this one is the beige. So let's go downstairs. Let's start putting these pieces together and bring the living room some more coziness in a French style. So I'm super excited. Okay, so with my throw blankets, I like to pinch it at the top, and then I just like to just kind of throw them onto the couch. So I have a lot of like beige tones. These are my other blankets that I have. So I just love to kind of toss them onto the couch, and then I love to layer as well. So especially when it's a little more chilly at night and stuff, this blanket is going to be amazing to cuddle. What I love about it is all the detailing with like the little tassels and stuff. Okay, so for me, just pairing these two definitely brings more of a cozy vibe and stuff, and it brings some more color to my couch because all I have is like neutrals and stuff. So this looks so nice, and I just can't wait to cozy up at night, especially when it's more chilly and stuff at nighttime. But I absolutely love this. I can't wait to also like pair it in my bedroom and do layers and stuff. It's gonna look so nice. Okay, and here's another way you can style this blanket, is just throwing it over the end part of the couch and stuff. So this is really cute, where you have like little tassels and stuff hanging off the side and everything. I really like it. They also have another size in this one, is the 50 by 60 inches if you want something a little bit smaller. And definitely check out this brand. Their blankets, their blankets are amazing and stuff. Like there's no complaints here at all. Like I love throw blankets. If I could just be covered in them or just surrounded by a whole bunch of them and stuff, I would be. So thank you so much to Amelie Home once again for this beautiful collab. I am so thankful, and I'm so happy to add these two blankets as a new addition to my home decor. I just love it. It's versatile. They're super soft. Just everything that you want in a throw blanket. Just to be cozy, and that's what I'm about. When you're being in your home, you want to be cozy, so definitely get the things that make you feel good and stuff. Go ahead and close the video out here. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a like, comment, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the video right here, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.